Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. The starting position for downward facing dog is tabletop, where your hands are directly under your shoulders, knees are under the hips. When you found this position, spread your fingers, imagine widening and lengthening your palms, tuck your toes under, and lift your knees, lift your pelvis. Imagine that you want to form a V shape. If you are a complete beginner, then I suggest you to keep your knees slightly bent and imagine pushing your pelvis as far up and backwards as possible. Gently press the floor with your hands down and forward, and imagine pushing your pelvis or your butt upwards, backwards. And you can always do little pause in the posture, bringing your knees back down on the floor, and then repeat. If you feel, for example, that your wrists are a little bit sensitive, then it's a good idea to warm them up before this posture. Do a couple of circles with the wrists to both directions. And if you know that you are very tight, especially in the hips or in the back of your leg, then really make sure to keep your legs bent. It's a common mistake to stretch the legs and try to put the heels down, but having your back rounded. We want to avoid having the back, especially the lower back, rounded. So bend your knees, even you can lift your heels slightly, and try to tilt your pelvis forward. It's like turning your sit bones or your tailbone up towards the ceiling. And when you have your back straight, then you can work on stretching your legs and approaching the floor with your heels. Relax your head completely. And release the position.